The Harare Mayor Jacob Mafume, a key ally of controversial CCC Secretary General Singso Chabangu, faces possible imprisonment over corruption allegations linked to fraudulent tenders in bribery. Zambi mashkwata kunoti ewa vanhu vopembera vachiona mafumo vachibatwa panguva ino vachinoti ewa panguva ini osangana nejere ndobva subscribe walike on the bell icon. Team vanhu vamabuda nyika muchenzi. A commission of inquiry into the seat of Harare's operations is implicating Mafume in diluting municipal funds through corrupt tenders, allocations, and kickbacks. Testimony before the commission claims Mafume accepted a $200,000 bribe in 2019 from Q Associates, a company contracted to supply accounting software to the municipality. The money was allegedly used to purchase a house at 9 Sky Master in Belvedere. When questioned about the residence, Mafume initially told the commission he lived in Belvedere but later changed the statement, claiming he resided at 110 Coronation Road in Greendale, citing safety concerns. In a letter dated February 6, the company dismissed the allegations as baseless and damaging to its reputation. We are deeply troubled by these allegations, which lack credible evidence and seem to be driven by factors unrelated to facts, the company stated. Mafume's legal troubles are the latest in a series of controversies surrounding Singso Chabangu, whose disputed leadership of a citizen coalition for change CCC has sparked internal turmoil and weakened the opposition party. Ndopatikona panguva ine kuti aiwa vana Jacob Mafume vachibatwa nemhosva dzakawanda aiwa dzekuoneka kuti vakomana vaingolota mastate funds. Panguva inoyi kusangana nejere zviri kuonekwa nevanhu kuti vari kufara, zviri kuonekwa kunzi mashopu amuri kuona masupermarkets ari kuvhara nevamwe vachimisa maoperations munyika yeZimbabwe is because of these guys vari kuuya vachingoita matenda vachilota vachirwa pasi. Tiudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.